Hi everyone, my name is Marla and I will be showing you how to use the bareMinerals Endless Summer Bronzer. I already have on my base as well as some blush, and the shade is called Warmth. I will be applying this anywhere that the sun naturally hits my face. This is going to be my forehead, tops of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. It really helps blur the appearance of my pores and imperfections. Also, I find that this bronzer never looks too orange or too ashy on my skin, which is great. It's not too shimmery or glittery. It has this really pretty natural matte finish. It's vegan, cruelty-free, it's talc and fragrance-free, and also it helps build a natural bronze glow over time, even when you're not wearing makeup. All right, so this is the completed look with the bronzer.